This victory was not the victory of weapons alone. It was a triumph of resolve. It was a triumph of unity. It was the triumph of people who refused to kneel. From the mountains of the north to the shores of the Arabian Sea, from the fields of Punjab to the deserts of Sindh and Balochistan, Pakistan stood as one. Our armed forces fought with courage, discipline, and honor. Our diplomats defended our position with clarity and conviction. And our people, our brave and resilient people, stood firm behind their nation. Let us remember, victory is not measured by territory held or battles won. Victory is measured by dignity preserved, by sovereignty defended, by the message sent to the world that Pakistan will never be coerced, will never be silenced, and Pakistan will never surrender.